Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my biggest beauty secrets when it comes to hair. I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this in under a minute. Now maybe you are someone who has always had thin hair, or perhaps you're someone like myself whose hair has just gotten progressively thinner as I've gotten older. For me and a lot of my friends, and I know a lot of you out there, your hair is a really important part of your self-confidence. And as your hair thins, or maybe you're losing it in spots, it can make you feel really, really sad. And that can affect your whole day. It can affect other things in your life. So there are ways to treat thinning hair. Obviously, there are different types of medications that you can use. There are different types of shampoos and conditioners that claim to thicken up your hair and regrow your hair. I know because I have tried them. I have had some good results recently with some hair vitamins, which I mentioned in another video of mine recently. And I can link those in the description bar if you're curious to know what those are. But they've been working for me. I've been taking them for about 2.5 months now. They've been working as far as my hair growing. I'm just thrilled with the results as far as length and filling in. But the volume and the fullness that I'm seeking is still not there. Now, this might not be a lot of volume to some, but when I take out what I have in my hair right now, you will definitely see the difference. Now, right about now, you are assuming that I have some hair extensions in my hair, and you would be correct. So what I have been doing for the last couple of years now is customizing my own extensions and cutting them to my hair length, whatever that was, whether it was shorter or a little bit longer. This is kind of like the longest it's been in a while. Here's what I do. Some days I will just add in these side clips. So these are one clip human hair wefts, and you can even create your own. You don't have to buy a full set of extensions. You can go to Sally's, you can order from Amazon, just the hair, and then sew on your own clips. They're super easy to sew on. And then for like color matching, what I've done with these pieces, I've recently gone darker with my hair, but I have some other ones that are kind of ombre, and how I did that was I took a blonde hair piece like this. I would clip it in, and then I would take some root spray. I use the Rita Hazan one, but you can use a less expensive one for this purpose, which is maybe from L'Oreal or Clairol, a root spray, and I would spray the top part of the extension so that it blended into, my root is always darker than the rest of my hair, so it would blend in much nicer than, like, if the wind blew, you'd see this patch of blonde. It would be dark like the rest of my hair. Now, I also have in today, and sometimes I don't wear this, but other times I wear a clip-in four-piece, a four clip. So this is my 4-clip weft, and these are actually from 2 different sets. This is originally from a Foxy Locks set that was an ombre that had like a lot more blonde, and I basically chopped most of it off. So it's just again, it's a 4-clip weft that I just cut to line up with my hair. So this is my hair without anything. Some days I will just clip in the 1-clip wefts. So how I do that is I will either take the back of my comb, or I'll just use my fingers. I'll take the piece of hair and I will kind of put it up to where the height that I feel like I need so it'll blend in with my curls. And I will just kind of lift up the hair here. And you can back comb this area if your hair's really, really fine. I don't do that, but I just clip it in and then bring the other hair down. And then often what I'll do is I'll take my curling iron and curl my real hair in with the extensions, just so it really blends in seamlessly. And you can add, depending on how many 1-clip wefts you have, you can add another one up here. And now I'm going to take the other one and do the same thing. Just lift up, clip in, let it down. So some days this is all I will do. These are comfortable. I can have them in my head all day and they don't bother me whatsoever. Now, if I want a little bit extra in the back, that's when I will use my 4-clip. Now, I usually like to put in the 4-clip first, so I'm gonna show you how I do that. So I'm gonna take these out again, give you a little reminder of how it looks with nothing. Now, again, I'm using my fingers, but for a beginner, I might recommend using this type of comb to really get it even. And I kind of go from temple to temple, and then I twist it and clip it up. And then usually when I do the back, I will tease it a little bit. So what I do is I just grab a chunk of hair, a teasing brush just from Sally's, and back comb it just a little bit. And if you want to, you can spray in a little dry shampoo to give it a little bit more texture, something for the clips to cling to. And I just reach around and clip them in. And if you want to, you can take them to your stylist who can trim them for you to match your haircut. Take down the rest. Oops, this one didn't clip in so well. And you can see the back. Hopefully it looks okay. And then now is when I'm going to put in the side pieces. And then you can fluff it up, add some hairspray, texturizing spray. So there you have it, fuller hair in less than a minute. Now to care for these extensions, you can wash them once a week, twice a week. It depends on how often you are actually wearing them, the extensions. I just use this hair extension shampoo and conditioner from Sally's. It's pretty affordable and it's meant specifically for human and synthetic hair, wigs and hair pieces. I let them air dry and then I will actually blow dry them. I will clip the hair extension onto a pant hanger and then round brush it smooth. And then usually I will clip it into my hair first and curl it when it's in my hair. But then when I take them out, I will store them already curled. I'll just either lay them in a box, or sometimes I'll clip them again on a pant hanger and just leave them that way. So that'll do it. That is my secret for having fuller, thicker looking, more voluminous hair. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my other social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. Everything is Risa Does Makeup. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.